You sing it first. What kind of words are those?
Now you try, Mommy. You see, okay?
No, you have to teach me the words.
Well, if I go to sleep, you try.
You try.
Okay, but it did.
Where's Barney?
He is his friend. But we have one Tenderheart.
Where do you think Tenderheart went?
He went into the big box.
In the big box?
You have to play with Barney against Tenderheart. We have to find him.
What? Where do you think he went?
He went into the box. He went there and then in the big space.
What?
Tenderheart is in the big space.
In the who?
And the big space. But we have to come back and go look. Come on, me. Let's go look for Tenderheart.
Okay. Who do you think took Tenderheart?
Tenderheart on the box.
Dinosaurs?
Yes. Just Tenderheart. Look, Robert. Look. The Tenderheart.
Tenderheart.
Where are you? He's not in there, Mommy.
I don't know.
I think I lost him. I need to find him. Mercy. Where is Tenderheart, Mommy? Tenderheart. Not in there, Mommy. Oh yeah, look. I'll look in the box and you look in my box. Okay? You
What?
My box now, like it is a trash can. Okay?
You're going to look in the trash can.
And you look for my box. Okay? To look for Tenderheart. Okay?
Wait, look at me and say all that. I didn't understand you.
Just
Wait, tell me again. Tell me.
no. You need to win. That's to stop it. Okay?
What?